Hello friends, in today's video we are going to cover Tableau installation. As you can see, this is very simple process. Tableau has two versions, Tableau Public and Tableau Desktop. Tableau Public is a free version but with limited functionalities. Tableau Desktop is a paid version. Again, within Tableau Desktop, there are three versions: individual, teams and organizations, and embedded analytics. So the installation process is not very different. We are going to cover individual version for Tableau Desktop. Before we go with the installation process, let's quickly go through the differences. In Tableau Public, the data sources are limited, so you can use the files like Excel text files, JSON, etc. But in the desktop versions, you have pretty vast range of choices available. For example, you can connect to databases, web applications, and several other sources. Another important difference is Tableau Public. Once you have created your visualization and you want to share it with your team, it's not possible to do it in a standalone manner. The file would be shared in the Tableau public domain. So that means it would be available to all other users also. If you don't want it to be shared with other members outside your team, then you have to go with Tableau Desktop because that will allow you to save your file locally and allow you to publish it on Tableau server and Tableau online, not on Tableau public profile. And of course, given it's a desktop version, a paid version, there are more security features available and it's little safer. So let's see the process. Step number one, we have to go to Tableau and look for the download option. So either you can follow the link, I have put it in the description, or you can simply search for Tableau Desktop in your web browser. Type here Tableau Desktop. Once you have it, you have to click on try now. It's ask your email ID, put it up here, and then click on download free trial. So I'll put my ID. After click on download free trial, the download will start. As you can see, it is around half GB file, so it may take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. So with that, we have completed step 2, which was entering the email ID followed by downloading the application. Step 3 is once the exe file is downloaded to run it on the machine and accept terms and conditions. So let's run the file which we have just downloaded. Now next we have to accept terms and conditions and then we'll simply say install. So as you can see, the version we are downloading and installing is 2020 1.2. It's not going to take much time and should be over in a couple of seconds. So after step 3 is completed, step 4 is click on yes if prompted for admin approval, and once the installation completes, Tableau home screen would be visible. As you can see, registration window is appeared. We'll fill in the registration details and then we'll click on start trial. So let's do it. So now we have entered all the details and now I'll click on start trial now. Please note that this trial is active for 14 days. After that, one needs to purchase it. So with that, our Tableau is up and running on our system. We will see how to use it and we will walk through a couple of live examples in our next videos. Thanks for watching it. Bye bye.